good afternoon. I don't know the time are you watching this video. First of all, my name is Chino. I'm a home of a Tino Tech channel. Let's see what is the Tino Tech channel. If you come to YouTube, in the Tino Tech, Tino Tech. Tech is truly tech. Tino Tech. If you come to YouTube and apply Tino Tech, you can find the Tino Tech together, okay? And you can find this person. This person, it's me. This channel, I talk about the technology every day. So I have 50 million inscritos. So I wanna show you one thing in this video. Come in this channel and push the inscription button to make more positionary my channel, so you can help me. My English is not very good, but I'm training my English to start to make videos in English to other English public peoples in Europe, in the Brazil that speak English or something else. So today I want to talk about one tool that I'm building. So I am a programmer. I can take some ideas from the internet or from community that people want to solve some problems. And my idea today was to build some kind of directory sites. Directory sites are sites that you can get another millions, hundreds of another tools inside these tools. So this is an example that is running. This example is running is in www.ferramentasia.com.br. So this means the country is Brazil. So this is a DNS, Brazilian DNS, Brazilian site. So this owner of the site has this system. This system you can they can receive people that come from Google account. Let's try. So you can send your site to this platform to show to another peoples. A lot of people coming to this type of sites to search some types of categories of intelligent tools, like 11 Labs is a voice intelligence tools that is a freemium. This means that you can use it freely or you can pay some plan to use it. This is just a fully paid. This is free, so you can get all of these tools in one site. So you can submit your tools. So in this situation, you can submit your tools that you want. A new tools. So Yupo Photo Hero. Let me do Yupo Photo Hero. This is one of my tools that I developed to help people to download the photo of Yupo platform, China platform. Yupo, this is a Yupo. This is Yupo. Yupo is a China platform that you can buy some stuff like camiseta of sports camisetas, things like that. So category of sports camisetas, things like that. I built this products for that. Okay, let's try Photo Hero. Let's take the link, the new fermenter. What he do? the build. This is a description. Send submission realizado com sucesso. This I can understand that I have a new YouTube photo hero inside the site. Let's see, let's check. Ferramentas IA, and I can put a photo hero. No photo hero. No. So I think they can have some means, some tools to approve the new idea, new tools that you can submit in this platform. So based in this idea, so I can show you this platform has a lot of things, 2000. So if you want to see, they have 2000 tools available to people search and they do some stuff and they understand how they works. So by using artificial intelligence, by using Python in some libraries, because I'm a programmer man, so I can find these 2000 tools available to copy to my new idea. My new idea is replace or remake a new style of the site, so using artificial intelligence and programming. So have done something first. What I have done, I have built first Python ferramentas IA scraping that can come to the ferramentas IA, just this link, and you can find this new URL with the sitemaps. This is a trick that I'm passing to you to understand how this work for site that is in the Google. So you can find this XML file that represents all endpoints of the sites, all links that need to be in this way, because this is the way that Google robots of scraping your site and they publish in the in this place, in the search bar of Google. Okay, so if you come to Google and search for ferramentas ia.com, site, so you can find the ferramentas ia.com. All sites submit CD Drummer, IA, all sites you can find in this place. This is because of these sitemaps that permit you can get all links of a site using this command line. This we call site YouTube scraping, YouTube search, advanced YouTube search. So this is the tool that I'm building based in the original idea. So my tools, I have done this job today. So this was fully made with the artificial intelligence that I am using in this windsurf. So I have done this job to access and the scraping, made the search of these links, this content inside. All this content is represented on the site. So I come to this way using windsurf tools that I'm using ChatGPT low reasoning to make all code. So with this code already, I've done the right command that it's in this place. I want to show you the command I've done. I've made to import all tools tools.json. This is the result of scraping I have made from the site in total. So the site gives me all this data. So with scraping, I can find all data in the site. So I can build a new site with this data. This is like a database, like a banco de dados. Description, title, slug, URL, and the categories, design image, categories. See, I have all site data in one tool, and I made the importation with PHP that I have done. First, we scrap all the data and we save in this folder out. So next, we build a new site with PHP that represents our site, our platform. So we have important configuration in this place, so you can use this way, this path to get the data, JSON data, to put in the data tools. That means that we are using a new style of database. We are using SQLite. If you don't know what is SQLite, you need made a new search in the Google to understand the concept behind the SQLite, when you can use it and why you can use it when you need. Okay, so we have the site, the database imported by this tool, import PHP config. So they import everything to database. The database is SQLite config and the libsqlite.php, libsqlite in this place. All database command that we need to make that work. Okay, so with SQLite and PHP, we can list our data in the site, and so we have total system replaced or total system. After import, we run the PHP localhost 8000 ports means T. In the public, we have index in the public. Okay, public index, the first archive, first file. So let's test this tool to understand how it's work. This tool made some improvements in the logo type of the tool, because we can see it show the image of the tool, not the logo type. Okay, let's correct this after. Okay, because we can see we have Canva text logo type. Here we have not Canva. Let's see Canva. Let's see here canvas, and we have Canva text to image. Here Canva. We have a fifth results. Okay, Canva. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 results. Canva, this Canva, let me see. Canva, yeah, let's see, Canva. Let's see, in this local, this is original. Let's see the difference. Em português, sobre, quem, everything. So, in the end of this video, I can say you, I want to buy this tool. If you want to sell to buy this tool, I want to sell this tool to you, because I have the technology to make again or improve and sell it for new people if I want, or new people that wanna be entrepreneur and make money in the internet. With this tool you can make money made with publicity, advertisement, and a lot of things, because the people come here to understand and search for what he has the new in the artificial intelligence. In this category we have a lot of intelligence, 2163 tools available. So subscribe in this channel, so smash the button like and made your commentary, made your opinion in the commentary section to improve my video, to make say what you want to say. So if you want to buy this tool, I am selling. If you want to make money with it in the internet, I can support you with all knowledge I have in this moment. Okay, please subscribe, smash the like button, and left your comments. Okay.